visits your website, views your product, adds it to their cart, and then it disappears. No sale. Frustrating, right? That's when remarketing ads come in like a digital salesperson would. Remarketing, also known as retargeting, is a smart advertising strategy that shows ads to people who have previously engaged with your website or app. It's highly effective because it doesn't just bombard them with ads, it reminds people who have already shown interest. Research shows that visitors who receive remarketing are 70% more likely to convert than new visitors. Think about it. In today's noisy online world, people need multiple touch points before they buy. Remarketing helps you stay ahead of the curve. These ads track users as they browse the web, when they browse Instagram, watch YouTube, read the news, and more. You're not frustrating them, you're strategizing. The goal isn't just visibility, it's timing, context, and memory recall. Ask them, hey, do you remember this product? A tap leads to a click, and ultimately, a sale. If you're not leveraging remarketing, you're missing out on valuable revenue. For example, you can target users who viewed your product page, watched 50% of your video ad, or abandoned their shopping cart. The benefit? You can tailor your ad message to match your audience's enthusiasm level. For example, you can show an ad with a discount or emergency offer to users who abandon their shopping cart, such as, not sure yet? Get 10% off for a limited time. Instantly improve your conversion rates. These platforms also support dynamic retargeting, which automatically displays ads with the exact products that users viewed. Now that you know what to do and how to do it, let's talk strategy. First, segment your audience. Not all visitors are the same. A one-time homepage visitor is not necessarily as appealing as someone who spent 5 minutes on a product page. So, create different ad groups for general users, product page viewers, cart abandoners, and past buyers. And of course, retargeting works too. Upselling is great. Then customize your ad message. Build trust with strong calls to action, relevant offers, and even testimonials and reviews. Finally, target the right time period. Someone who visited 7 days ago is probably still interested. Someone who visited 90 days ago? Probably not. Make sure the time period is appropriate for your product type and buying cycle. Fourth, rotate your creative. Always offer fresh content so your audience isn't surprised by your ads. Finally, measure everything. Look at click-through rates, conversion rates, frequency, and return on ad spend. Remarketing is not just a set-it-and-forget tool. It's a dynamic strategy that should be continually improved based on performance, test, adjust, and scale. Done right, remarketing not only drives traffic, it also keeps shoppers coming back. This can be the difference between driving foot traffic to your store and actually driving revenue. Let's drive conversions together.